Namaskar, I am Shreyanka and you are watching Mobile News 24/7. Let's have a look on the top stories of the day.
The Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation issued a so-cause notice to a diagnostic center in Shahid Nagar area of Bhubaneswar, which allegedly provided fake COVID-19 RT-PCR certificate. In case of no response, action will be taken against the diagnostic center, BMC assured. Odisha Vigilance carried out a search at 5 places associated with arrested Constable Prasanna Behera over a case alleging possession of disproportionate assets. The raid is functional under 5 teams led by 2 DCPs, 6 inspectors and other officers. Observing dereliction of duty, the Dhamnagar Block Education Officer has taken action against 23 teachers. At least 4 Cluster Resource Center coordinator have been given show-cause notice. The Odisha High Court has ordered for the collection of compensation from those who have already taken the payment for claiming government land. Dismissing all cases of land ownership and compensation, the High Court has given this verdict in connection with Cuttack CDA land dispute case. The Supreme Court permitted the National Testing Agency to declare the National Eligibility Entrance Test for admission to undergraduate medical courses across the country. The NTA had challenged the Bombay High Court order to hold the NEET again for the 2 candidates who alleged that their test booklet and OMR sheet got mixed up at the examination center. As many as 8 persons were killed and several others injured after a minibus travelling from Tathri to Doda in Jammu and Kashmir fell into gorge on Thursday morning. The injured have been shifted to hospital and rescue operation is underway, the police informed. According to the latest bulletin of Indian Meteorological Department, a low-pressure area lies over the southeast Bay of Bengal of the Sri Lanka coast and it is likely to move westwards during the next 48 hours. Places in coastal Odisha, Raigada, Koraput, Malkangiri and Kandhamal are supposed to receive moderate rain till November 1. India registered 733 deaths and 16,156 fresh COVID-19 infections in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, Odisha registered 412 fresh COVID-19 infections. 3 Kashmiri students were arrested in Uttar Pradesh, Agra for allegedly celebrating Pakistan's win over India in the ongoing T20 World Cup. Those celebrating Pakistan's win will be charged with sedition, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's office tweeted. An elephant carcass has been traced in a forest under Kiskinda Kharasuni Sanctuary range of Sambalpur district. Bamra Wildlife Division launched an investigation to ascertain the cause behind elephant's leg injury along with the circumstances leading to its death. LPG cylinder price is expected to rise again next month as oil companies are going through a loss due to under-recovery caused by selling cylinders at a price below the purchasing price. The Pune police has detained Kiran Gosavi, the independent witness of the NCB in the Mumbai drugs case, which led to the arrest of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. The police said Gosavi is being questioned in connection with the 2018 cheating case. Memorandums of understanding were signed today between the Directorate of Municipal Administration and Directorate of Technical Education and Training and between the 114 ULBs and 33 ITIs for repair and maintenance of equipment of wealth centers and sanitation vehicles. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik congratulated ace para shuttler Pramod Bhagat on being nominated for the prestigious Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2021. Pramod is the first sports person from Odisha to be on the top list who bagged the gold medal in SL3 singles category in the Tokyo Paralympic Games.
To stay updated, keep watching Mobile News 24/7.